Okay, hello everyone. We're going to deal with these potatoes. We're going to see how much I got from them. And let me show you how much I got from the ones, trying to move you too quick, from in these cages here. I have all 4 of them dug up. So, whoop, tripping on the cord. So there's right there is more than what I planted. So I'm very pleased with that. Well, kale, just finished stripping all the tomato plants too. This poor tomato plant here, oh, it was struggling the entire year, so I'm not shocked that I only got a handful there. But there are these ones. Look at the size of some of them. Like, there's my hand and there's the potato. Okay, like, they're massive. So I'm gonna let them sit out like this for a few days so they can, you know, the skin can harden up on them and that. Okay, so let me get set up. We're gonna find out how many potatoes I get out of those 3 bags. Okay, I have you set up. I'm hoping you're gonna be able to see what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure that you can. I had to rinse out my wheelbarrow because I'm just gonna be dumping these bags into a wheelbarrow. Because the dirt that's in them, I'm just gonna put, oh, you can't, I'm just gonna put the dirt that's in them into my gardens. I'm not gonna bother. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I'll show you guys afterwards. How's that? I'm gonna go into a bowl. Okay, so this amount is from the bag that I put 2 seeds in. Okay, so let me go put this over there and I'll get the other bag. Okay, so this bag here had 3 seeds in it. Well, that one, that amount, is from the 3 seeds. I definitely didn't get a lot of that one. Okay. Okay. And this bag here had 4 seeds in it. I felt like this was pushing it, so we'll see how many was in this one. And that's everything out of bag that had 4 seeds. I'm not going to complain about the haul because this is my first time growing in bags. So I think for a first go, that's really, really good. Next year I am gonna do this again next year. I'll get more bags. I might get bigger bags because these are 10-gallon. I might step up and get the next size up. We'll see. But you know what? I'm gonna take that. I'm quite proud of how many potatoes I got out of that because there's quite a few. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video and I'll talk to everybody soon. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Bye.